on the sawhorse.
Of course it is. Why wouldn't it be? Well, we got the first lower roof up and done. You can see we got the lookouts up there and subfascia on. Then here is a couple lookers on that side too. A little return, that looks good. So yeah, this little roof there looks pretty nice. Clipped away, took a few hours. Yeah. So next we're just getting the wall sheathing ready here for the gable ends for the second story, and then we're gonna climb on up there. Oh boy. This is tiring. 5 up here already, 6 more to go. And this is how we do. Alright, got a little bit rained out there near the end, but it's done. Subfascia, lookouts, if you can see them out there, just see the corner. On both roofs, upper and lower. Oh, focus. You can see everything. Looks nice. See if the birds like it enough to move on in again. Still have a little house wrap to finish. That's it. Well, yesterday we got totally rained out. Super soaked in here. Everything is just drenched. And it's starting to bum me out because everything is just keeps getting soaked. We've had maybe 4 days of no rain this entire month. So today's 30% chance, and I'm getting the all the roof decking up. So get the roof sheathing up. So far so good. Got our H-clips on there. Oh man, what a mess. But anyway, we'll get all these up, get this up today. I'll at least get this roof done and hopefully a little bit started on the main roof. But then tomorrow's supposed to be like lots of rain. I have no idea. I wanted the shingles done by this weekend, but so far it's not looking like that's gonna happen. Fingers crossed, ladies and gentlemen, fingers crossed. Well, yeah, it's another one of those days, but look, it's all done. That's my hatch. I'm gonna leave that open while I shingle the one side and halfway up the other side. Shingles are getting delivered rooftop tomorrow. But right now, let me just show you quick what I'm working on. This board is being mounted on this wall, and this is going to be the location of the electrical panel. I'm reusing the one that was in the house. The only thing is I put a 1.25 inch block off plate there, and I'm gonna punch open the bottom one. That way the panel will be just a little bit higher. It's just a little nicer install if I do it that way. So now what I'm going to do is just drill through with the coat hanger through the pony wall, or through the plywood on the outside of the pony wall, so I can get that going and get the pipe in here. Let's start working on that a little today. All right, so panel is mounted. There's plastic behind it, acoustic sealed to the plate. So we should be good for stuffing some insulation behind it. Now, kind of my plan here is to have all the cables run, into the panel through here, through the pony wall. We could staple it to the sides of the pony wall studs, and then pop through holes up here, come down nice into the panel. All right, so here we are on the outside. We have the LB connector at the bottom, and they make us drill a little hole in that for code, for a drain. Now we're just gonna pack some duct seal in here and around this opening. All right, so it's actually nice out today, and my shingles get delivered today, and tomorrow is rain. Always rain. Here's my service roughed in. I want to get the front house wrapped today, so I'm getting the bottom all framed in. Well, as I keep framing along here, shingles have arrived. Oh yeah.